Okay, again, we're seeing another footnote over here, and it says it's related to something. Look at the footnote 11. It's right over here. And then you say to yourself, well, gee, I'm going to try to find that. And it's good if you can. All right, let me see if that, yeah, they say it's related to that. So let's take a look. And, start where you can. So let's write this down. So I'm going to say U equals EI x squared. And then du. Well, you know what? You might have to go up and look up the EI. All right? I guess I should do that, right? Let's go back. And I'm going to really kind of scroll back over this thing quickly over here. Wow, it's a long document. I know that. A lot of work goes into these things. So I'm kind of looking for that EI thing, right? And I realize I can't remember. I can't remember either. I'm not dealing with these things often. I'm seeing EI somewhere over here. Oh, look at that. All right. It's right here. All right, so if you differentiate that, what do you get? E to the x over x. All right, let's go back to that problem. Oops, sorry about that. Man, this document's long. Okay, so what are we going to get? We're going to get, well, let's try to remember, we said if you differentiate, you're going to get e to its power, which is x squared, over x squared. I got to use the chain rule, go to the inside, and that's going to be 2x. And then you get a dx. All right? This thing simplifies pretty nicely, by the way. And what do you get over there? You get du is equal to, I got to be careful here, because I always make mistakes, by the way. E to the x squared. I see the 2. Oh, I get an x there. And then you get dx. All right? So I'm using integration by parts. I got the u. And now I'm going to write down the dv part. So what's a dv? Well, I'm forced to accept it to be dx now. What do you get over there? V is equal to x. Constant integration comes into it later on. So let's write this down. And it's going to be uv, so e I x squared times x, put that in front, minus the v, which is x, times the du, which is 2 e to the x squared over x dx. All right, that doesn't look too bad. What do you get there? Let's write this down. X EI x squared minus, let's put a little line over here. What do you get there? Well, the x's cancel. I'm going to say 2 on the outside, e to the x squared dx. And let's just review what they told us, that this thing was going to look like that. And it does. It looks just like that. So let's write down what the result's going to be. X EI x squared minus 2 times, let's root pi, over 2 ER FIX plus C. All right, so this thing simplifies, the 2's cancel, and I think we're there. I think we got it. I think we got, whoops, sorry about that. The 2's cancel, and let's go for it. What are we left with? X, I did it again. I got that, minus pi, got that, I got that, got that. Yeah, things work as advertised, which is great news for us. Thank you.